Hello everyone, this is 529 Crude Oil Red Crush intraday strategy, and this is the kind of strategy which many traders dream of, and the strategy created and deployed in paper trading or forward testing on 4th November 2025. The capital requirement at the time of the creation of the strategy is 4 lakhs. This is paper trading, and I will show you live trading also, because just the same strategy deployed in live also. For the uniform statistics like multiplier 1x, entire 139 days, this 131 trading days, the strategy was deployed in 1x only. That's why we always refer to paper trading for analysis. And moreover, the strategy continuously runs in paper trading. That's why we are taking the paper trading. At the same time, we will compare this with the live deployment also. So this is crude oil intraday strategy. This runs in the evening time. So let us see its statistics. These are the statistics. If you look at the graph, it is a beautiful upward graph and small corrections in between, and equally aggressive recoveries, and then new heights. And here was the correction during this Iran and Israel conflict. Once again the recovery, and then accumulation phase, and now this is the expansion phase. This is what beautifully I got in live trading results. So let us look into other statistics. Capital required 4 lakhs, total trading days 139, win days 89, loss days 50. Continuously the strategy was in profit for 8 days. Continuously the strategy was in losses for 6 days. Win rate 64%. Average monthly 28,912. Average monthly ROI 7%. Maximum profit in a day 26,000. Maximum loss in a day 24,000. Now coming to the most interesting part of drawdown. Drawdown is 39,410 rupees. This is the drawdown. And weekday wise, Monday spectacular returns, Tuesday 8%, Wednesday 4, Thursday relatively low. One can skip the strategy deploying on Thursday, and the rest of the days one can comfortably deploy the strategy. And monthly wise returns, November 5.43, December, Jan and February. These are the 3 months where the strategy went through accumulation phase. These commodities, crude oil, natural gas, silver, they expand and accumulate in cycles. So this is the 3 months. If you stay invested in the strategy for 3 months, March was the expansion phase, remarkable results 15.93. April and May relatively low but steady returns 3 and 5. And June the strategy exploded like anything. This is what I captured in live also. I will show you the live deployment now. This is the live deployment. Here you can see strategy name 529 Crude Oil Red Crush intraday. The strategy deployed in live and the strategy deployed in paper trading, both in the same screen. So this is what happening in live. So if you look at the counters, each counter represents a single day. First day minus 5,000 loss, second day 4,440 rupees profit, Third day 6800, fourth day 10540, and then after that seventh one minus 6180, 81810, and 9 10 11 12, 9 1270, 10 3860, 11 4050, 12 minus 640. So total returns around 20,000 we got in the last 10 days of live deployment. This is the graph. Here you can see the strategy generating around 21,340 rupees till now in live, till yesterday. So the strategy live shade code and the strategy links are available in my blog. The link to my blog I will provide in comments or description section. So thank you for watching the video.